In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create class and location lists in QuickBooks Online, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or have been using it for a while, setting up classes and locations helps you organize your financial data more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Enter your credentials and click Continue. Remember, it's always smart to keep your login information secure and update your password regularly for added protection. Once you're logged in, head over to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the menu, select All Lists. This section is where you can manage different types of lists within QuickBooks, including classes and locations. Let's start by creating a class. Click Classes to open your class list, then click the New button to add one. You'll see a field where you can enter the name of your class. Think of classes as categories that help you organize your income and expenses, for example, by department, project, or business unit. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Congratulations, you've just created your first class in QuickBooks Online. Next, let's create a location. Go back to Settings by clicking the gear icon again, and this time select Locations under All Lists. Click New to create a new location. You'll notice an option to associate your location with the class you just created. This adds another layer of organization to your financial reporting. For example, you might create locations for different stores, offices, or regions. If the location has a unique title, for sales forms, check the box labeled "This location has a different title for sales forms." This allows you to personalize documents for customers, keeping everything professional and relevant. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully set up both class and location lists in QuickBooks Online. Organizing transactions by class and location gives you clearer insights into where your business is performing well and where improvements might be needed. It's a powerful tool for better financial management and strategic decision making.